Good afternoon, Giselle.
Yes, good afternoon po.
Can you tell me about yourself?
Yes, I'm Rizal S. Dinuyo, 29 years old age. I am presently residing at Lala, Lanao del Norte. I am a single mom. I have a baby girl named Chandrami Arnaiz. I decided to work in Malaysia as a maid because because I want to help my family needs.
Okay, I have few questions for you to answer, so let's start. Why do you want to work as a maid?
Because I want to help my family needs.
Okay, why you choose Malaysia when there's a lot of other country?
Because Malaysia is near from the Philippines.
Okay, how are you qualified for this job?
I am hardworking, disciplined, and physically fit.
Okay, may I know what is your educational level?
I'm a high school graduate. I graduated at Lanipao Catholic High School.
Okay, what is your recent experience?
As of now, I'm working at department store as a sales lady.
Okay, have you worked abroad before?
No, ma'am.
Do you have experience of taking care of baby?
Yes, ma'am.
Whose baby you taking care of?
My kid.
Okay. And how about elderly people? Do you have experience of taking care of an elderly?
Yes, ma'am. My niece.
Elderly.
Yes, ma'am. My grandmother.
Okay, your grandmother. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have any other special skills?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you please tell me what is your special skills?
I know how to cook about Filipino food, but I willing to learn Malaysian food. I know how to washing the clothes.
Mm-hmm.
I know how to clean the house, ironing, and others.
Okay. Are you willing to learn new skills?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you willing to work with a family where the mother-in-law or any relatives stay together?
Yes, ma'am.
Currently, are you still working now?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you know how to cook?
Yes, ma'am.
What sort of food can you cook?
Filipino food, ma'am.
Okay. Are you aware that you will have to do washing, cleaning, ironing, and cooking?
Yes, ma'am.
From all the house chores, which do you like most?
Washing.
Okay. If ever you were selected to work in Malaysia, who will take care of your kid?
My mother, ma'am.
Okay. You are not allowed to use handphone during working hours.
Yes, ma'am.
You are only allowed to use handphone after you finish all the works and when going to bed.
Yes, ma'am.
You are strictly needed to surrender the handphone to your employer in the morning, and your employer will return back to you once you're going to bed.
Yes, ma'am.
If ever your employer finds out that you're abusing your handphone and it's affected your work performance, your employer will confiscate your handphone and you are not allowed to hold it anymore. Instead, your employer will allow you to call to your family 3 times in a month. You're only allowed to bring normal phone and you are not allowed to bring smartphone. Are you agreed for the terms and condition?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you agreed to the rules and regulation for the handphone?
Yes, ma'am.
How many years is the contract as you agreed and understand?
2 years. 2 years, ma'am.
Okay, can you describe for me your ethics?
I am a hardworking, disciplined, and patient.
Okay, how can you assure to us that you will work hard in Malaysia?
Ma'am.
Okay, how can you assure to us that you will work hard in Malaysia?
I'm wake early in the morning. Uh, I I do my best,
Mm-hmm.
and I follow the rule and regulation of the employer.
Okay. Can you promise not to use the telephone without the permission of your employer?
Yes, ma'am, I promise.
Can you promise not to put on makeup but to dress properly while work?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you promise not to invite friends and relatives without the consent of your employer?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you promise not to ask for advance salary from your employer under any circumstances?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you really understand of the rules and regulations of the agency?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you pay any placement fee for you to come to Malaysia to work as a maid?
No, ma'am.
Do you have any history of sickness, example breast cancer or any other illness?
No, ma'am.
Do you suffer from any skin diseases, allergy or physical defect?
No, ma'am.
Have you suffered from any serious illness?
No, ma'am.
Have you undergone any operation?
Yes, ma'am.
What operation?
Cesarean
O-
operation.
Okay. Are you medically fit?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you on any medication?
No, ma'am.
Are you allergic with any food?
No, ma'am.
Are you prepared to work for the employer of any race?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you prepared to eat the type of food taken by your employer?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you afraid of being left alone in the house?
Ma'am,
Are you
I can't
afraid
hear.
of being left alone in the house?
No, ma'am.
Are you afraid of dogs or other pets?
No, ma'am.
Can you promise to work according to instruction from your employer?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have any immediate family working in Malaysia?
No, ma'am.
Okay, Rachel, we have
Yes,
finished our question section. Let's go to case study. I have a case study for you and I want you to answer me truthfully. Okay?
yes, ma'am.
Okay, number one. Upon arrival in Malaysia within 6 months, if ever any of your family members passed away, what will you do? Will you continue to work till finish your contract or you will go back?
Uh, I try to ask permission to my employer if ever I have my family problem, but my employer did not
Al-
uh,
allowed?
did not allowed to visit my family. I'm still finish my contract.
Okay. Number two. Tell us about yourself and why do you want to work in Malaysia as domestic helper?
Uh, I decide to work in Malaysia as a domestic helper because I want to help my family needs, especially my kid. And and I help already my husband because my husband is in hospital.
Okay, Rachel, what do you want to tell the employer who watching your video right now?
Good afternoon, ma'am, sir. I'm Rachel S. Dinuyo. I'm 21 years old. 29 years old.
Mm-hmm.
I choose me as one of your housemaid. I do my best and I do my best and responsibilities, and I never regret and I serve you with love, and I'll never regret me.
Okay, thank
Thank
you
you
very
and God bless. Thank you and
uh,
God bless.
okay, thank you very much, Raisel. We will update to your agency if there's any selection made by the employer.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.